Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, central McLean County in central Oklahoma, Pottawatomie County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Seminole County in east central Oklahoma, until 4:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:03 p.m. Central Standard Time, National Weather Service radar indicated severe thunderstorms along the line extending from southern Lake Thunderbird to 3 miles southwest of Purcell, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazards in the warning include hail up to the size of nickels, wind gusts to 65 miles an hour. Locations in the warning include Bethel Acres, Olex, Brooksville, Centerview, Dale, Roseboro, Eastern Norman, Etowah, Harjo, Johnson, Lake Thunderbird, Lexington, Little, Macomb, Mott, Payne, Pink, Purcell, Seminole, Shawnee, Slaughterville, southeastern Oklahoma City, St. Louis, Stellar, Tecumseh, Tribby, Trousdale, and Wayne. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 88 and 99. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 169 and 202.